Hey, good Friday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Got some more trailer upgrades happening today. We ended up getting our breaker so we can isolate our new inverter we put in last week. And we added a catastrophic fuse to the top of the battery there. So that's all set, ready to go. Added a plug in the back off the inverter, and we added one to the outside in the back, so we'll have power inside and out, front and back. And today we're going to put a radio in. We got this Boss in-dash unit and a couple of surface mount speakers. Probably going to do front and back, maybe behind the tires in the back, up out of the way. And it's nothing really fancy, just a little background music in here. Not going to get too crazy with it, but so it's going to be a nice day. I'm going to turn the heater on to bring the heat up a little bit in here. It is a little chilly, but we're going to get going and we'll be back. Okay folks, here we go. The plan is to take this 3-inch hole saw and we're going to try to mount that right there. It looks like I've got enough depth in my box where I can still get all my wires in there. That way everything can be off my switching. And then we're going to drill some holes down in the bottom and up top and fish some speaker wires, kind of like we did this power, so we could hide most of it and make it look like a good install. So next time we're back, hopefully we'll have this mounted in this box. Okay, we got this mounted. Now we're going to start fishing some speaker wires. You can see up top I put a hole saw hole in there. Be very careful if you drill these, because you know that wall isn't that thick. So I drilled those at an angle. I was able to drop a string down through there and grab it with a little piece of wire, and I was able to fish that out. So we're going to have a chase way from here up to the top. Okay, we got some speaker wire fished. We got her pulled to the back, temporary. We got this one split, run across the back for the left and right up here. And we're going to temporarily wire these speakers up before we button that up, just to make sure it works. But these actually look pretty nice. I've always had pretty good luck with the Boss stuff, so that's actually the perfect size of what I wanted. It's not going to really stick out too much, and I should get some decent sound on them. Like I say, this isn't my usual 3,000 watt system. It's just going to be some music while you're in here. You got it open, so we'll get these things wired up and give them a test, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, looks pretty good. Confirm that all 4 of our speakers are going to work. So we're going to go ahead and put our permanent wiring space and get these mounted, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, moving right along. We decided to put in a conduit chaseway back here, and we ran a 3/4, so it's a little bit bigger for future. I can pull some stuff back here, but that's going to get our speaker wire here. Then we got a piece of this vinyl channel from side to side to pick up the other speaker. But that'll probably also be handy for hanging my clothes and stuff when my wife kicks me out for spending too much time in this trailer. Okay, here's the final wrap up on this. This is going to be our auxiliary switch that turns that head unit on. And hopefully none of the copyright laws go off on this thing, but I just got it on the radio right now.
Ingredients and materials, which is why when it comes to footwear, I love Skechers, because Skechers is the comfort technology company and uses the most luxurious innovative materials and designs to make wondrously comfortable footwear with all the fits and features like arch fit and Skechers
This didn't come with an antenna.
It's exactly the way I make shoes. Find Skechers at Skechers stores.
I just bought a cheap one and I ran it up that pipe in the back, and I went out the same chase way that my solar cables come in. I'll take you around front. And I just took a piece of aluminum I had and I brought it out the bottom, and I just stuck it right to the front with a self-tapping stainless screw. So I think it turned out pretty nice. Everything looks pretty clean. All the wires are hidden. Say that's our plug we put in. I think I mentioned that earlier, and one on the outside. But there you go, the Boss 350R, I believe, with weather band. Nice looking unit. Works good. Stay tuned a little bit later when we put the LED light strips in here. That's going to be next. So have a good day, folks.